Dun 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 dun. Charge.
Come on, buddy.
Sorry. I'm in the choir.
She said there's big names up in Nashville. You'll be one before.
Ugh. Not loud. Ugh. Pet bed. I don't know, he farts a lot. Here, I'll check it out for him. Here, I'll smell it. No, it doesn't hold smell very well. You think I should get it? All right. Love you. Yeah, I gotta test it before I buy it for my dog. Trying to text me. Yeah,
No, you're right. Excuse me.
No, don't say nothing. That is disgusting.
Cheating. Oh shit.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Excuse me. Shit. Sure is. That's a stinker. No, more like toilet paper after that one. Ah, damn it, there it is again. My bad. Oh, excuse me. Whew, my bad. Ugh. This cold smell. Get all the smell. Ooh, shit. Ooh, I don't need those chips. God damn, I don't understand. Oh, shit. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Ooh, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. What? My bad. Yep.
It's been 7 hours and 15 days since you